Night, while I was sleeping, our good old American partners, they dropped an offer now for anyone who wanted to join our team or join our business on the Max kit, where you already get 5 boxes for 22% off. You can get an extra $50 off, and then for the mega kit, which is 10, I think, boxes, maybe 12, at 36% off, you're going to get another $100 off on top of that. Awesome. And that's global anyway, not just in America, but I'm just giving you American prices, but it's comparable prices to the UK, Europe, wherever it may be, Australia, Canada, the whole lot. Also, then you can join the team for $1, just $1 joining the team instead of same in pounds for us. So if you've ever been thinking about joining, this is the time when you'll be like, yeah, seriously, this will be the time for you to join. And once you get in, you're going to you're going to be really mad at yourself for waiting so long and not like doing it when you should have done it. We've made it as simple as you can now. I'm telling you, me and Tracy, we're going to teach you how to make some money, be it small or big, whatever you want. There's no caps on what you want. It's up to you what you want and how much work you want to put in, but it's super simple. There's a link on here. Just go through that, click on the tab where it says create income, and that will take you through the fee. And when you join us, you get one of those as well. It's that simple. And it gives you all the information you need there for everything. That's all you need. So you're just going to get a discount on the kits, on those 2 kits. There's smaller kits to join the business with, still at $1 a membership, but the smaller kits don't come with the extra cash bonuses off, and obviously it's going to be lesser boxes. But you want more boxes because one, you're going to be drinking it, and you're going to be selling it to your friends as well, or people that are interested in your story, not just your friends. We don't cold call friends, we don't spam friends. We do attraction marketing. They come to us and we teach you how to do that. So if you need to have any more clarification, you can always just message me on here. Happy to get you sorted out. But like I said, if you don't do something now and change it and stop being so scared, I say scared, we've got you. Don't worry about it. I started this, I needed 20 quid a week to get me to my 9 to 5 that wasn't paying me enough money to drive the 20 miles to work every week that I needed the extra 20 quid for in my car. And it's gone beyond that now. I'm obviously a car earning champion, which is something I never thought I would be, but then the team structures, systems, things like this link, all there to help, all to make it easy. We've got so many testimonies in the team. It's proven. We've got the #1 network marketer in the world, Jesse Lee, who is our mentor and our amazing brain of all our systems. We've got systems for everything. We've got scripts. It's all automated. You're onboarded. It's an automated system. Tracy and I are there to help you. Let us teach you exactly what we're doing. But anyways,